Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can find Instagram IDs with their phone number. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly, you're gonna find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile icon, and this will take you to your profile page on Instagram. Once you're here in your profile page, the first thing that you need to do, guys, is click on the icon in the top right corner. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. So once you're here, you're going to find all of your settings related to your Instagram account. So once you're here, the first thing that you need to do, guys, is click on Account Center right here. And then once you click on Account Center, you're going to be right here. Scroll a little bit down until you find Account Settings. Right here under Account Settings, you're going to find Password and Security, Personal Details, your informations and permissions, Add Preferences, Meta Pay, and lastly, Show Your Profile is Verified. Go ahead and click on your information and permissions. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find Access Your Information. You're going to find access your information, download your information, transfer a copy of your information, search history, and then here you're going to find activity of Meta Technologies. And the last option you're going to find is upload contacts. Go ahead and click on upload contacts and then search the profile that you want. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find yourself here in this contact syncing menu. So go ahead and enable this option for connecting contacts and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.